Hey guys, Jim from Import Image Racing and welcome back to the channel. On this week's video, we're taking a look at the Noble RD1 trunk spoiler for the 2022 and 23 Subaru WRX. Check it out. That's right, kids. Come in, sit down, have a drink. Old Jimmy's going to tell you all about a brand new spoiler from Noble. If you've been in the market for a subtle yet stylish trunk spoiler for your VB chassis WRX, then this could be for you. The RD1 is the perfect combination of form and function. It's designed with aerodynamics in mind while also providing your VB chassis with an enhanced race look. In addition to the color-matched paint options, the RD1 also gives you a choice of matte or high-gloss piano black finish. No matter which color you choose, it comes ready to install right out of the box with the provided 3M tape and mounting hardware. But we've saved the best for last, and you've probably already figured that out by now. The Noble RD1 trunk spoiler is compatible with the STI Wing you have, or if you've been thinking about installing the STI Wing, both can live together in harmony on the trunk of your WRX. Thanks a lot for taking a look at the Noble RD1 trunk spoiler for the 2022 to present Subaru WRX. For thousands of parts just like this, plus tons more, be sure to hit up importimageracing.com for all of the best deals on the web and in the world, and we'll catch you on the next one.